Okay, in my last video, I just did my first card box, which I got all of these cards. Still no auto. I'm not expecting one today. But, an auto would be great. I would immediately get it graded. When my cousin was doing one of these boxes, he pulled a double patch card, which is insanely rare because, well, not only because double patches are insanely rare, even when you get a guaranteed patch, but, he was opening a pack just like I am right now, and he pulled a double patch. So, this pack has 6 cards per pack, 6 cards per box, so 36 cards, and we want an auto or a patch. This is 22 years, so, I went to a ton of card shops, and this was like the oldest one I could find. Okay, starting this off, Miles Bridges, Charlotte Hornets. Think he might still be a Hornet. Tobias Harris, Sixers. Tim Hardaway Jr., Dallas Mavericks. Ooh, Chris Paul, Phoenix Suns. Jordan Poole, Golden State Warriors. That's a good one. And Santi Aldama, Memphis Grizzlies. I have him on a fantasy basketball team. He's actually doing pretty good. And with that wraps up pack 1. Five more packs to go. No autos or patches. I probably won't get one today. Keldon Johnson, Spurs. Sadiq Bey, Pistons. Correct me if I'm saying his first name wrong. I have no idea how to say that. Ooh, Jaylen Brown, Celtics. He was the finals MVP when the Celtics won the finals. Zach LaVine, Bulls. Miles Turner, Indiana Pacers. I'm getting so many Pacers ones today. This is cool. Trey Mann, Oklahoma City Thunder. And that does it for pack 2. 4 packs to go. At all the card shops, 21, 22 are the oldest ones. I wanted like a Shai Gilgeous-Alexander rookie year or a Devin Booker rookie year, but yeah, still might pull one. Tyrese Maxey, 76ers. He went to Kentucky. I have him on my fantasy team too. Jalen Brunson, Mavs. They made it to the semifinals against the Pacers. Got beat, so the Pacers could make it into the finals. Luguentz Dort, Oklahoma City Thunder. Trailblazers, Damian Lillard. Celtics, Ray Allen. And Sixers, Charles Bassey. And that does it for pack 3. 3 more packs to go. Still no auto or patch. I am probably not going to get an auto or a patch. But never know. Darius Garland, Cleveland Cavaliers. Yeah, LaMelo Ball, Charlotte Hornets. He is not really that good of a player. Well, he thinks he is, but he's not. Russell Westbrook, Lakers. Averaged like 8,000 triple doubles. Whenever I hear Russ, people always say triple double. Cameron Thomas, Nets. Yeah, that's Nets. Last 2. Paul Pierce, Celtics. And Usman Garuba, Rockets. That will do it for pack 4. 2 more packs to go. In this 21-22 rookie pack. Oh, dang it, didn't cut it deep enough. My uncle and my cousin, they pulled a rookie Cooper Flag card, which those are pretty easy to pull right now. Oh, dang it. I didn't cut it deep enough that time either. Luckily, I can get it open this way. Robert Williams III, Boston Celtics. Another Tyler Hero card, Miami Heat. I pulled that last box, I think. Another Pascal Siakam Raptors. I pulled that last box too. Ooh, a Wilt Chamberlain Lakers. That's worth some money right there. And Norman Powell Clippers. And Trendon Watford Trailblazers. And last pack. Last pack of the box. Orangey, give me something good. Lillard Trailblazers. Lonnie Walker, the 4th. San Antonio Spurs. Marvin Bagley the 3rd, Pistons. Ooh, this is a double. This is a really cool one. Alperen Sengun Rockets on one side, Nikola Jokic Nuggets on the other side. I'm gonna set that aside. That is worth some money right there. Tim Duncan Spurs. He was a good player. He led them to a championship. And last, Evan Mobley Cavs. He's a solid player. And that will do it for the video and my second box. Only 2 down, 1 to go. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 50 by my birthday, February. And just please share this video and like this video. Please, I'm begging you.